स्कॉटिश पार्लियामेंट के मेंबर और जस्टिस सेक्रेटरी हमजा यूसुफ ने ईद के मौके पर पाकिस्तानी मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी को ईद की पेश की मुबारकबाद पेश की है। अपने ईद पैगाम में उन्होंने कहा कि स्कॉटिश गवर्नमेंट हमेशा ईद कल्चर और मुसलमानों की मजहबी रिवायात को सपोर्ट करती है। कोरोना वायरस की वजह से इस बार ईद का रिवायती इज्तिमा नहीं हो सकेगा। कम्युनिटी ईद की खुशियां घरों में मनाए। उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
Assalamu alaikum. I'm delighted to send my sincerest and warmest wishes to Muslims across Scotland and around the world who will be marking the end of Ramadan by celebrating Eid al-Fitr. Scotland's Muslims and our many other minority ethnic and faith communities are valued and appreciated by this government for their contribution to our culture, to our society and to our economy. The end of the holy month of Ramadan is a time for Muslims to worship, giving thanks, and of course is traditionally celebrated with family and friends. But this year's celebrations will be extremely different and extremely difficult. I understand that. I have a large family of around 50 of us that are extended family. We get together. We got together last year, in fact, all under one roof. We enjoyed each other's company. We enjoyed good food. But we know, like others, this year we're going to have to stay at home to help keep ourselves, our families and our community safe. And this is going to be really tough for all of us. But let's do our best and plan for our celebrations at home to save lives. I also urge our mosques to continue to follow the rules and the guidance that is there in terms of keeping our places of worship closed. I know that's really difficult. I enjoy going to the mosque every single Eid. But we know by keeping our places of worship closed, then we're going to help save lives and protect the NHS. On that note, I wish you all a very happy, peaceful and safe Eid with your families at home. Eid Mubarak.